Hi, my name is Reginald. Came to Dr. Francis because I was having issues with my shoulder, ongoing tingling, hands was numb, hard to sleep, really couldn't, lost mobility in my neck. Came to him, he wound up performing a procedure on my neck. The best decision I ever made. Life has improved. I'm able to do what I've been doing before. Before the surgery, not so much after the surgery. I am A-okay. This surgery, I highly recommend. If you are having any issues, please come see Francis. He'll get you right.